danger. One of us just lost our savior. Gotta maintain when you're going insane, so I say this prayer. Dear God, why do I need this medicine to control my anger? And do you even exist? They're trying to say it's a myth. A lot of things left unsaid, a lot of things left unanswered. My aunt just passed from cancer, dad just got out of rehab, and mom's never gonna show up. Gotta grow up, ride with me through the memories inside of me, to the nights I was hooked on the ivory. Head hurting all week cause of bad coke, and the same week people overdose, that's fucked up. But I guess I lucked up, and I feel his pain because it probably won't be until the day I die that they love us. But trust, every nomination I don't get, every list that I ain't on, is a reminder of why I wrote songs in the first place, as a way to escape where I came from. This just my pretty toxic, heavy conscience weighing on my soul. 6 shots in my revolver when I'm on my own. Play this song on the first day I am gone. I do not want you to cry, legends never die. I hope our story's told, and the years spent on that road. Before they came to our shows, we were creating our lane. I hope they pave it in gold. Take me home, somewhere I belong. Somewhere foreign, looks like Dali's drawing. Yeah. Isn't it funny that whenever you got a vision, a mission, and a couple of plans to go with it, somebody gotta come along mad and damage it like a cancer that inhabits, never vanishes. A man is a smoke 5 grams of cannabis and still keep my stamina for the fans and the goddamn cameras that attack my stance like evangelists. I said truth and they couldn't handle it, so when it sinks you stand in it. I guess this is my Titanic, with no James Cameron to direct this draft of it. Just my pretty toxic, heavy conscience weighing on my soul. 6 shots in my revolver when I'm on my own. Back against the wall, they got me anxious, helpless, frigid, cold. Late nights, drinking on my own. Now I'm fearless, Al Capone. To my dearest, I ain't going